Need an easy way to collect job applications, event signups, or feedback submissions without writing a single line of code? In this video, you'll learn how to create fully functional, customizable application forms in WordPress using FormGent, a powerful, AI-powered form builder that simplifies everything. Whether you're building a job application form, course registration, or membership intake form, FormGent has your back. Let's start by installing the plugin. From your WordPress admin dashboard, go to Plugins and Add New, and search for FormGent. Click Install Now, and once it's done, hit Activate. FormGent will now appear in your dashboard menu. Once FormGent is activated, go to FormGent greater than all forms and click Create New. You'll see two options: Start from scratch, which lets you build manually, or Create with AI, which helps you build faster by describing your form in plain language. Select Create with AI, which will give you two additional options: AI Classic Form and AI Conversational Form. In this tutorial, we will choose the AI Classic Form. This selection will open a new prompt box where you can describe your form. For example, you could type, "Create an application form with fields for full name, email, phone number, resume upload, LinkedIn profile, education, work experience, and a short message." Then click Generate Form. FormGent will use this prompt to generate a fully functional application form that matches your needs within a few seconds. You can now customize every part of your form. Click on any field to edit its label, placeholder, description, required setting, character limit, and more. You can also add a sub-level to each question to guide applicants while they fill out the form. Want to reorder the fields? Simply drag and drop them into your desired position. If you need to add a new field, such as a drop-down or GDPR field, click on it from the menu on the left, adjust its position, or drag and drop it into the application form. To align with your branding, head to the Design and Share section to customize your form. You can turn a cover image on or off, select a solid or gradient background, upload your organization's logo, and change the form title to Job Application Form. Don't forget to use the Preview option to check how your form looks on desktop and mobile devices. Once your form is ready, click on Publish in the top right corner, where you can select from several options: Draft for forms still being edited, Private for forms that only administrators can view, Scheduled to set a specific Go Live date, or Published to make it live immediately. After publishing, you will receive a direct link to your form that you can share anywhere, along with a WordPress shortcode for seamless embedding into any post or page. As responses begin to come in, you can navigate to the Entries tab under FormGent to view, manage, or export all submissions. And that's how easy it is to create application forms in WordPress using FormGent. From AI-powered setup to full customization, FormGent lets you do it all in minutes. For a detailed walkthrough, check out the article linked in the description. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more tutorials. See you there!